Hello everyone, this is me Hemant Reddy from from my YouTube channel. So I just ordered a tempered glass from Flipkart and just received it, and I ordered in the big app shopping day. So they told the actual cost of 600 and comes to 110. So I just ordered it to check it out for HTC Desire 820, and they told it's 3-layer coated. So let's see. Okay, this is it. Nope, it's stuck. Let me cut it. Sorry guys. Okay, it's over here. Now let's take a bit. Okay. Here goes the bill. Flip it. Stings actually, don't worry. Okay. Now this is the tempered glass which I ordered for HTC Desire 820. So let's open it up. First, okay, nothing here. Okay, this is the main thing, and we just have the stick ring, I guess. Yeah. Let's go to the side. Let's go. Okay, this is a pretty good tempered glass, I'd say. I thought 3 layers thickness means pretty small, the small one. It's good. So I'll put this tempered glass to it and come back to you guys. Welcome back, guys. Well, I went out to the shop, put on the tempered glass, and I removed this normal, what do you say, screen guard. Yeah, I get confused between those sometimes. I just stuck and I asked him, can I take the screen guard with me to show if you bought my YouTube audience? He'll be. And this dumb idiotic screen guard. So just into it. Dustbin. And I guess this is of no use, right? This too into the dustbin. Okay. Now let's come back to our Desire 820. As told, this is a screen. Okay, this is a screen case for the HTC Desire 820. Now, I guess you can't see this, guys. Can you see the thickness? Yep, this one. Exactly. Believe it. This. Oh, which company is it? digione premium tempered glass. Okay, let me read the specifications of this tempered glass because I didn't read in the starting of the video. Just do it now. It's waterproof, smudge proof, eye protection, real glass, silicone. I don't know what says silicone, just sit in silicone over here. This one. And HD. Real tempered glass protection. Your technology for user experience. I swear this is the best. Right. And I can leave a link in the description for you to buy this, I guess. Maybe. try to leave. I'll try to leave. I'll try. I can't say can I really or not. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment my channel.